I thought for a while about what I was gonna say about working with Alex. And I was gonna like write everything down and make little bullet point lists so I didn't miss anything. And I wanted to do it right. But then Alex's voice popped into my head and said, just speak. Just say it. There's no right way. And that in and of itself is a testament to what she proves to you that you are capable of. And really putting your healing in your hands and showing you that the power was there all along, the strength that you needed to hold yourself up was there all along. And she's just so very delicate without being, what is the word I'm looking for? She's delicate without coddling. It's still your responsibility. She's just so very good at showing you that the answers that you need are kind of already there. And you just have to learn to trust them, and they'll continue to lead you in the right direction. And I think at the base of, and this is for my story, I guess, at the base of all of it, it was distrust and fear that I was going in the wrong direction, but that's not a thing. The wrong direction for me ultimately ended up being no direction at all. I was too scared to even take a step forward. And the thought of failing was so heavy. And I'm not a business owner. Not yet anyway. I don't know if I want to own a business. I work for a big corporation, and I've been able to manifest some crazy shit within that big organization, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool what we're capable of when we really start to believe that. And I have absolutely no words that are truly meaningful enough to say what Alex has helped me do for me. So I'll try this. Thank you, Alex, for being you. And to everyone else who is looking at this and looking at the other reviews, if you've made it this far and you're looking at the reviews, do it. It's worth it. You're worth it. You're absolutely worth it.